Oh, you can't fly. Well, come back. Get up on your knees and come over here. Or don't. That's fine, too. She just looked at me and stuck her fingers in her mouth. I'm hoping she'll do it again, pull herself up on her knees. Yeah, I'm filming and waiting, hoping I can get on camera. She's messing in my purse now. Oh, almost. She's on the carpet. Alright, she's got an ink pen. I've got to go.